You are watching P4U Healthcare. It's new thinking.
Friends, welcome back to P4U Healthcare. In today's topic, we will be discussing about dental basics, explaining what should be the antibiotic prophylaxis for a patient with infective endocarditis and other cardiac conditions. Before starting with the drug regimes, let me list out the cardiac conditions associated with the highest risk of adverse outcome from endocarditis. They are previous infective endocarditis, congenital heart disease like unrepaired cyanotic CHD, completely repaired cyanotic CHD, and patients which have undergone cardiac transplantation and who develop cardiac valvopathy. Now, let me list out the dental procedures for which endocarditis prophylaxis is reasonable. Okay, usually all dental procedures that involve manipulation of gingival tissue or the periapical region of teeth or perforation of oral mucosa require endocarditis prophylaxis. They are your routine extractions, root canal treatments, periodontal surgeries, and so on. Now, let me list you the antibiotics which are used for antibiotic prophylaxis and the drug regime. Usually, a single dose of the following drugs is given 30 to 60 minutes before the procedure. If you are doing the procedure under local anesthetic and if the patient is able to take the drug orally, then amoxicillin is the drug of choice. Okay, the dosage is usually 2 grams in adults and 50 milligrams per kg in children. And if the patient is allergic to penicillin or ampicillin, then you can give him cephalaxin, that is 2 grams for adults and 50 milligrams per kg for children, or clindamycin 600 milligrams for adults, 20 milligrams per kg for children, or azithromycin or clarithromycin 500 milligrams for adults and 15 milligrams per kg for children. And if the patient is unable to take the oral medications, then the drug of choice is ampicillin. The dosage is 2 grams IM or IV for adults and 50 milligrams per kg IM or IV for children. Or cefazolin or ceftriaxone, and the dosage is 1 grams IM or IV for adults and 50 milligrams per kg IM or IV for children. Okay, and if the patient is allergic to penicillin or ampicillin and is unable to take the oral medications, then again you have to give cefazolin or ceftriaxone in the dosage of 1 grams IM or IV for adults and 50 milligrams per kg IM or IV for children, or clindamycin 600 milligrams IM or IV for adults and 20 milligrams per kg IM or IV for children. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you have really liked this video, then give a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more awesome content. Cheers friends, have good time and stay safe.